Every New Year's Eve, the sky above Little Pine Village glowed with hundreds of lanterns, each carrying a wish into the night. Some were shaped like stars, others like flowers or clouds, but only one was shaped like a dragon and it belonged to Leo.
Can you believe this entire video was created in just 5 minutes? No editing, no stress. Simply by turning text into video using MagicLight AI. MagicLight is an incredible powerful AI text to video generator that transforms your written script into professional animated videos. In this tutorial, I will show you the exact step-by-step process I used to create this amazing video effortlessly. But before we jump in, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to do so. I share the latest tips and tools to help you create stunning AI content easily. Okay, let's dive in. I'll start by getting my story ideas from ChatGPT. First, I'll prompt ChatGPT to generate 10 fun, engaging, and adventurous key story ideas. From those ideas, I'll select one that stands out, and then I'll ask ChatGPT to help me write a full script for the story. Now, if you want to skip this part, good news. MagicLight AI has integrated DeepSeek AI, which allows you to generate scripts directly within MagicLight using just your story idea. So after ChatGPT must have generated my script, I will copy it and head over to Magic AI to generate my video. Once I'm in MagicLight AI, I'll click on this Create AI video. Then immediately I click on it, I'll go over and paste my script. Then I'm going to customize everything. For the aspect ratio, I will leave it at landscape, and my video language, English. You can choose any language of your choice. And over to the video style. Any video style you wish, but I want to produce a Disney style. So I'll click on Disney style. So you can see different video styles, they're epic, 2D video and others. So I'm clicking Disney and I'll go over to next. I'll click on next. This AI will automatically break down your script into shots. Mine here is 21 shots. The next thing I'm going to do is to customize my character. So MagicLight has already drafted 3 characters for me. I'm going to click each one to customize it. So you can see different characters which you can choose from. If you want, you can create your own character. So I'll go over to the voiceover. I'll check through the voiceover and I'll choose the voice that I want to represent my first character. Then after choosing my voice, then I'll go over to the characters. I'll scroll down and check anyone I like. I will choose it. And remember, if you don't see anyone that suits you, you can create your own character in MagicLight AI. So after choosing my characters, I'll go over to the next step. You can see MagicLight has already done my storyboard. You can see my storyboard. The next I'm going to do is to animate. Click on next. Then I'll come over and customize my video. You can see how simple it is. Then for the header style, I'm going to go over to the cover title. I'm going to write my title. Then after writing my title, I'll click on subtitle settings. And I'll go over to the subtitle settings and choose the font, the one I want. Then I'll go over to the music. I'll go over and choose the music, the one that rhymes with my video. Then I'll do the final settings, choose my ratio and also the standard resolution. Then I'll click OK. MagicLight AI will generate my video. Once my video is generated, I will go over and download my video. You can see my video. I'll download it. Okay, let's watch the video now.
Flamekeeper, said a voice. Leo jumped. An old man stood before him in deep red robes, his beard curling like smoke from a chimney. Behind him, children and elders bustled around tall pagodas with dragon carvings. But everything looked dim, like the color was draining from the world. I'm not a flame.
You can see how beautiful this video is. You don't need any editing skills to produce this kind of video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.